హాయ్ వ్యూయర్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ టీచర్ డైరెక్టర్. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం in this video we are going to discuss about the most important chapter. That one is third chapter in our textbook, that is namely called as simple equation. In 7th class semester 1 textbook, it is called as simple equations. The chapter name is simple equations. Okay, in this chapter we are going to discuss about what is a simple equation, how to solve it, what is its daily usage, solving of equations, applications of simple equations. Okay, first we have to know, in this we have to know what is a constant. What is a constant? A constant means a symbol has a fixed value. Constant means a symbol has a fixed value. I am going to write it down. Please observe carefully. A symbol has a fixed value. For example, 2 is a symbol. 2 is a symbol. 2 has a fixed value. Either you are any place in the world, 2 has a fixed value. And the second one is 3 is a symbol. It has a fixed value. 100 is a symbol. It is a fixed value. It has a fixed value, which means a symbol has a fixed value is called as a constant. In mathematics, we use numbers as constants. Numbers are having fixed value. Numbers have a fixed value. Okay, and do you understand what is a constant? Means a symbol has a fixed value. For example, 2, 3, 10, 100, whatever it may be, you can understand. Okay, and the second one is we have to know what is a variable. What is a variable? Variable means a symbol which takes various values. I am going to write a symbol which takes various values is called a variable. A symbol which takes various values is called as a variable. I am going to give an example, then only you can understand. A symbol which takes various values is called a variable. For example, our class strength is x plus 100. In the place of x, I am going to write 10. Then our class strength is 10 plus 100 means 110. In the place of x, I am going to write 2. Then our class strength is 102. So, a symbol which takes various values is called as a variable. For example, perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Here, s is a variable. As the length of side of the square changes, perimeter is also changes. Therefore, a symbol which takes various values is called as a variable. In mathematics, we use variables as English letters as variables. That therefore variables are called as literals. Variables, the other name of variables is literals. Constant means what? Here, constant means a symbol which takes various values. A symbol which has a fixed value is called as constant. Variable means a symbol which takes various values is called as variable. Variables are also called as literals. Okay, and the next one is what is a term in this chapter. Next one is what is a term. Term. What is a term? A term means the combination of constant and variable. The combination of constant and variable is called as a term. Combination of constant and variable is called as term. For example, 3 into x. This is the combination of constant and variable. Not in between 3 and x. If we put plus or minus in between 3 and x, it is the combination of two terms. Okay, only in the case of multiplication, the combination of constant and variable, this is called as 3 into x. For example, 4x square, this will be called as 4 into x square. The combination of constant and variable is called as a term. Okay, it's called as term. And I am saying that in a term must and should contains a constant and a variable. According to the definition of the term, you see combination of constant and variable. Okay, but here a single constant is also a term. I am saying a single constant. For example, 2 is a constant. I am saying 2 is a term also. Why it is called as term? Because 2 can be written as 2 into 1. It can be written as 2 into x power 0. Any base having the power 0 is value equals to 1. Therefore, x power 0 equals to 1. Therefore, 2 can be written as the combination of constant and variable is called as a term. Therefore, single constant is also a term. And similarly, I am saying a single variable. For example, x is a variable. A single variable is also a term. X can be written as 1 into x. 1 is here a constant. X is here a variable. This is the combination of constant and variable. Therefore, it can be called as a term. But every term need not to be a constant. Every term need not to be a variable also. Okay. Next one, what is an expression? What is an expression? What is an expression? Expression means the combination of terms which has no equal to symbol. The combination of terms which has no equal to symbol. For example, 3x square plus 2 is an expression. 4x plus 1, this is an expression. 2x plus 3, this is an expression. There is no equal to symbol in the expression. When we put in the place of x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that value will be calculated only. There is no particular value for expression. But in the case of equation, what is an equation means? An expression having the equal to symbol. For example, 2x plus 1 equal to 0. This is an expression. This is an equation. Equation has both. This is RHS right hand side. This is LHS left hand side. Equation contains LHS and RHS. Okay, equation. You have to substitute in the place of x any value. This must be equal to 0. For example, in the place of x, I am going to write 1 by 2. Look at here, 2 into, in the place of x, I am going to write 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel, means minus 1 plus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, in the place of x, we have to write 1 minus 1 by 2 only. Other than the value of 1 minus 1 by 2, it is not the solution for that. It's not equal to 0. Okay. That equation has a solution. Expression has no solution. The difference between expression and equation. Okay. Here we have the chapter simple equation. Next here we have the chapter simple equation. Simple equation. Simple equation means a equation in one variable. Equation one variable means equation contains x only or y only or a only, any one variable only allowed. An equation in one variable with the highest power is 1. For example, 3x minus 2 equal to 40 is an equation. 3x minus 2 equal to 40. This is an equation. An equation having highest power of the variable means here x power 1 we can return. Okay. An equation having only one variable with highest power 1 is known as simple equation. Okay. Here 3 is called as coefficient. X is called as variable. 2 is called as constant. 40 is called as also constant. Okay. In this chapter. Next we are moving to the next one. In the page 84, example 1. In the page 83, example 1. Convert the mathematical statements into simple equation. 7th class textbook, page number 83, example 1 in semester 1. First one, 5 added to a number 9. 5 letter 5, the statement is 5 converted the following statements into simple equations. 5 added to a number is 9. Okay, let the number is to be found. Let the number be x. There is in mathematics, let the unknown things are denoted by the letter x or y or z, anything. 5 is added to this number, therefore 5 plus x is 9. This is the solution for that. 5 added to a number b9 is 9. Next one is, second one is 4 times a number decreased by 3 is 5. 4 times a number decreased by 3 is 5. 4 times the number should be find out. The number should be x. 4 times means 4 into x is decreased by 3 is equal to 5. Decreased means minus 3. Okay, is equals to 5. And the next one is the sum of 3 times of n and 7 is 13. Next one is the sum of 3 times of n. The sum of 3 times of n and 7 is 3. They are asking. Sum of 3 times of n. They are given the number 3 times of n. 3 times of n and 7, which means sum of 3 times of n means 3n and 7. Therefore, the sum of 3n and 7 is 3. This is the answer. Okay. Next one is length of rectangle is 3 meters is more than its breadth and its perimeter is 24. Length of rectangle is 3 meters more than its breadth. For example, its breadth b or e a d t h. Let's its breadth is equal to x centimeters. x meters. Therefore they given length of the rectangle. This is the rectangle. This is called as length, this is called as breadth. They given length of the rectangle is 3 meters more than breadth, which means 3 meters more than breadth means plus. Therefore length is equals to, they given here breadth is x, they given length of the rectangle is 3 times more than breadth, which means 3 plus x. 3 times more, 3 meters more than x means x plus 3. And its perimeter is 24. What is the perimeter of a rectangle is, perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Here length, L means length, B means breadth. 2 into L means 3 plus x plus breadth means x. Therefore it can be written as 2 into 3 plus x means 2x is equals to 24. This is the equation, which means on multiplying 2 into the brackets, 2 multiplying into the brackets, it gives the answer which is equals to 2 3s are 6 plus 2 2s are 4x equals to 24. On solving this we can find out what is x, then what is breadth, what is length. Okay, this is the example 1 in 7th textbook semester 1. Next one, is example 2. Convert the simple equations into statements. In the example 1 we convert, example 2 we are going to write. In the example 1 mathematical statements are converted into simple equations, already done. In the example 2 they given the statement convert the simple equations. First you have to see the textbook. Convert the simple equations into statements. First one is they given y minus 7 equals to 11. Y minus 7 equals to 11, which means a number, let the variable is unknown number, which means a number decreased. Minus means decreased, plus means added or more. A number decreased by 7 is 11, whatever it may be. You have to write anything. Okay, in textbook you have another solution. A number decreased by 7 is 11. And the next one is 8m equals to 24. This can be written as, here the symbol between 8 and m is into. It can be written as 8 times a number is 24. Can be written as 8 times a number gives or is 24. Into means times. Plus means added or more. Minus means decreased, okay, or less. And the next one is, if you have any doubt please comment it in a comment section. Next one is 2x plus 13 equals to 25. They given this one. 2 into x means 2x means 2 into x, which means into means times. Into means times. A number 2 times a number means 2 times a number added by 13. 2 times a number added by 13 gives 25. 2 times a number added by 13 is 25 or gives 25. Anything is okay. Okay. And the next one is y by 4 minus 7 equals to 1. This can be written as, in the term of, in the case of into, it can be called as times. In the case of plus, it can be called as more than or added. In the case of minus, subtracted or decreased. In the case of divided by, it can be called as fourth, or by 2 means half, by 3 means 1/3, by 4 means fourth. 7 is subtracted. 7 is subtracted from 1/4 of y. 7 is subtracted from fourth means 1/4. Fourth of y is equals to 1. Okay. This is the second example of a semester 1 textbook. And next one we are moving to the, okay, in the next video we will catch another topic, that is solution of an equation. Solution of an equation. Next video we can catch. Please subscribe our channel, Teacher Director. Thank you.